In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and tapping on connection and sharing right away. Then select print. Tap on default print service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use a different service, click on this switcher next to the default one. Go back, tap on Add Print Service and download the best one for you. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!